Hi, welcome to Team Data Security at HPU using GISC Data Audit Framework. Let's start with the agenda of the presentation. Our presentation includes a brief introduction, followed by objectives of the project, data audit, risk analysis, and recommendation. Our group consists of 3 members, and today I'll present the project on behalf of Honghong and Steph. The objective of the project is to help HPU achieve its mission while protecting data security for staff, faculty, and students. 3 main outputs of the project include data audit, risk analysis and management, and data security recommendations. For the first output, our group assessed 100% of HPU data access, document resources allocation, and accountability. Next, we identify, analyze, and evaluate different risk areas and conduct risk assessment to assist the IT department establish a comprehensive risk management framework. Lastly, we suggest practice that protect data confidentiality, integrity, and availability while ensuring user transparency. Let's start with the first objective, data audit. Our data audit uses the GISC framework, which was established in 2009 by researchers at University of Glasgow to enable UK higher education institutions to audit data collections, awareness, policies, and practice for data curation and preservation. We start with reviewing HPU mission statements and contacting HPU IT department to inquire about the current state of data assets. We completed several audit forms and interviews to identify and examine data gaps and rooms for improvement. Lastly, we write a data audit report summarizing what we have learned and found out about HPU data assets. Of all the 22 data assets at HPU, our group decided to focus on 3 in the application layer, which are Banner, Blackboard, and the email system. Banner is an enterprise resource planning database application for managing university staff, faculty, and students' information and financial system. Blackboard, as many of you are familiar with, is a learning management system that contains student submissions to quizzes, homework, exams, discussion, and grades. Finally, while staff and faculty have access to Gmail and Office 365 email systems, students are restricted to Gmail services. Next, let's talk about risk analysis. Once we complete the previous data audit output, we move on to risk analysis. The outline of this process includes risk identification, risk assessment, impact mitigations. Our group believes that this is a stepping stone to create a comprehensive risk management framework for the university in the future. Last but not least, our group proposed 4 risk mitigation strategies, which are risk management framework. We believe that creating a comprehensive risk management framework detailing incident response plan, risk mitigation methods, frequency of risk management, and so on will benefit HPU in the long run. Hardware upgrade. Aging hardware is a significant factor contributing to a low quality of services and data availability. We believe that hardware should be regularly evaluated and replaced if they do not operate properly. Training. While cyber awareness sessions are intended to enable staff and faculty to recognize security problems and act accordingly, security training, on the other hand, is designed to make sure that people have appropriate security skills and competencies. It's important for HPU IT department to provide both awareness sessions and training to equip staff and employees with the right knowledge and skills to deal with the increasingly complex security threats. Testing. We believe that HPU IT department should dedicate a team to test out software and hardware consistently to keep up with the latest technology and ensure that potentially new applications comply with existing security standards. And that's the end of my group presentations. Thank you for listening, and let us know if you have any questions.